We moved to about 5:22. Multiple-time world finalist in the red singlet, Jamiля Bakbергenowa, wrestling out of Kazakhstan and neighboring country, Kyrgyzstan. That's Nurzat Nurtaeva in the blue singlet.
О мобильдик операторын тандайсыңбы? Супер! Переходи на О комбо тарифтерінің линейкасы менен андан дагы мыкты болот. Сага гана маанилүүсүн кор. Акысыз комбо опцияларды туташтыр. Гигабайттарды 2 есе көбөйтүү оңой эле. Wi-Fi таратуу албетте. Яндекс Плюска акысыз жазылуу, тасмалар, музыка, китептер жана таксиге арзандатуулар. Же ар кандай табитке ылайыктуу онлайн кинотеатрлар. Баары акысыз, баары мой о тиркемесинде, баары сен каалагандай.
One of the most successful coaches in women's wrestling right there for Kyrgyzstan. Of course, coaching the likes of Pyramided Kızı, who will wrestle for gold tonight. And of course, there is Miriam Jamenezharova, the two-time Olympic medalist. Aysulu Tinebekova, the two-time Olympic medalist. He is building a powerhouse in Central Asia. The Kyrgyzstan women's program, of course, they just built their own women's wrestling facility solely dedicated to the growth of wrestling for women in that nation, and you're starting to see it take off. As I was talking to Aysulu yesterday, of course, the multiple-time world champion, the Tokyo Olympic finalist, Paris Olympic bronze medalist, and she said, I took this year off to recover, not only mentally, but physically as well. I will be back next year. The legend in the sport from Kyrgyzstan, forehead to forehead. Nurtaeva now working on the inactivity clock.
Action! No fingers! Open! No grip the finger. Open fingers. Action! Open! Action, lad! Lead action! Action, lad! Passive activity time. Go back, go back. No fingers! No fingers, blue!
Get back to action here in the second period. Bакбергенова working on the activity clock as she has 10 seconds left to score. Fingers will be called here from the official.
No fingers.
And that's what you see there. They're saying stay off the fingers, interlocking of the fingers. In international wrestling is a no-go, and 1 point awarded to Jamiля Bакбергенова, his opponent from Kyrgyzstan. Nurtаева now leads 1-1, and this is where Bакбергенова gets in trouble. Oftentimes lacks offense when she needs to get to it.
Blue passive
And
activity
blue
time.
passive cold.
Go back.
So now Bакбергенова saved by the activity clock. Nurtаева, let's see what she can do. Because right now she did grab the lead 1-1 on criteria, but it's tough. In this position, how do you give an activity clock shortly after the red wrestler is on the activity clock? So your job on that 30 seconds is to stop the other wrestler from scoring. Therefore, you did it. 5 seconds later, you hit the following wrestler. So it's counterintuitive to the activity clock on both parts. But now, Bакбергенова is going to pick up the 2-1 lead on criteria. Nurtаева is going to go 2. Is she going to be able to keep it here? 4. And she scores
Send
the
off.
takedown to grab the 3-2 lead. 39 seconds left. Take a look at this shot. Gets to a head outside single, cuts to the corner. Beautiful angle there. Comes up to her feet and finishes with force. Nurtаева, 35 seconds away from upsetting the world finalist in Жамиля Бакбергенованы, but a shot attempt coming from the Kazakh athlete.
Blue.
Nurtаева circles back in, and 1 point for the step out. Criteria advantage is still going to be held by Nurtаева. And Bакбергенова needs an additional 1. Can she get it? Nurtаеva circling to her right, trying to stay grounded, trying to stay in bounds. 7 seconds left. Can she hold on? And she's going to do it. Nurtаеva from Kyrgyzstan upsets multiple-time world finalist Жамиля Бакбергенованы.
Blue.
The
Left.
upset of the morning.
Red.
What a shocker. Coming up next, about 5.